Hello, everybody. Good morning. It's a great day to be alive. I trust you're doing good. I'm doing good as well. This morning, I'm not going to just waste time. I just want to go straight to the point because time is of the essential, of the expensive. Yeah, time. Yeah, time is expensive. All right. I'm wondering what is going on in this Abuja now. I'm wondering what is going on. I've been to different churches, and I'm wondering what's happening. How people are beginning to behave in this town is scaring me. There is these twins now that you people have to be careful of. I'm warning everybody around the Abuja environs. You have to be careful of these twins. These yellow twins. Every time I go for ministration, because they invite me to come and minister, in churches and all that. Every time I go there, I see these same twins. You will not see them during praise and worship. You will never see them. I'm giving you their signs so that you know them when you see them. You will never see them during praise and worship. You will never see them, see them during the word, when they are preaching the word that can transform them. All of a sudden, once they say where is newcomers, first timers, these twins will jump up like frog wey dey inside hot water. They will jump up and they will come outside. I said, are this not the boy I saw last week in Anglican church? I said, okay, maybe you're not the one. I went to Ekwa church. I see these same boys, these twins, these wicked twins. I went to Catholic church. I saw these same twins. Then I began to wonder. I said, no, there's something fishment here. They will come out during first timers because of one thing that's making these boys to follow church to church. Because churches now, when they call out first timers, they give people refreshment. These boys are going from church to church. I traced these boys to their house the other day. I traced these boys. These boys have collected puff from all the church in Abuja because they give puff to new timers. They give Coke and Fanta. They have collected. Their house now look like depot. The one that affected me, that made me come here and say I will call them out. I went to go and minister somewhere. They invite me. Everybody was shouting. The aviation was high. People were shouting. I came out. I ministered. People on the floor rolling up and down. People carrying chairs, jumping. Someone even fall down and die. Sorry, and faint. And fall down in the spirit. After much virtue have left me, they carried me to a place to go and give me entertainment, to go and make me, because virtue have left me, spiritual virtue. They have to feed me physically. May I not go faint, Only for me to be waiting 1 minute to up to 10 minutes, up to almost 1 hour. I noticed the usher ladies, they are doing doing. And I called them, say, come, what is going on? Make una give me my things. Let me chop now. Make I not come and faint here. Only for them to start to apologize to me that two boys came and said they are my PA, and during first time they got up and now come to oh God, the thing that they are supposed to give me to eat, these boys collect it, they eat it. After I've ministered to people, after God has used me to minister to people, these twins, these wonderful twins, they collect this thing, they collect my refreshment and they eat it. They will not go. I will not take it. That is how I left that church hungry that day. I will not take it. I'm out for them. I'm going to be going around all the church. Whether you invite me or not, I'm going to come to minister in all the churches. If I see these boys in any church, if I see this boy, I have bought things I'm going to use to deal with them. If I see these boys in any church, nobody will tell me to spare them. How can I go to the twins' house, Coke and Fanta heap as if their house is depot, Puff puff everywhere. I even reached the house on Wednesday last week night. These boys offer me puff puff, which is my own puff puff which they collect. You people will know me. I've already said my own. Nobody should beg me. I'm going to visiting church to church. You will see me in your own church. You that is looking at me on this Sunday, you will see me in your own church this Sunday. I'm coming. I'm hunting. I'm going to hunt down these boys. You won't see them.